Ancient people may have known the Earth was destroyed again and again, and they encoded that knowledge in myths, calendars, and stone. This is not a fantasy story. It's a hidden pattern spread across civilizations that never met each other. The strange global agreement. Ancient cultures from different continents all tell the same story. The world is destroyed, humanity nearly ends, and then civilization starts again.
What's shocking is how similar these stories are, even though these cultures were separated by oceans and thousands of years. Examples from around the world. India, the Yuga cycles. Ancient Indian texts, Vedas and Puranas, describe time as cyclical, not linear. Satya Yuga to Treta to Dwapara to Kali Yuga. At the end of each cycle, floods, fire, chaos. The texts say civilization becomes corrupt, knowledge is lost, and the world is reset.
Mesopotamia, the Great Flood. The Epic of Gilgamesh, older than the Bible, tells of a massive flood sent by the gods to wipe out humanity. A single man survives by building a boat, thousands of years before Noah. Mesoamerica, the Five Suns. The Aztecs believed the world had been created and destroyed 4 times already. Each age ended differently. Earthquakes, fire from the sky, floods, monsters. Humans were recreated again and again.
Scandinavia, Ragnarok. Norse mythology says the world ends in extreme cold, sun and moon disappearing, earth sinking into the sea. Then life begins again. Egypt, the time of Zep Tepi. Egyptian texts speak of Zep Tepi, the first time, when gods ruled before a catastrophic collapse. After the disaster, knowledge was fragmented. Humans tried to preserve divine wisdom in stone, pyramids. The hidden question historians avoid. How did isolated civilizations share the same idea? They all believed time is circular, civilization is fragile. Advanced knowledge existed before. A global catastrophe erased it. This is not how modern history is taught.
Possible real explanation. Around 12,800 years ago, Earth experienced sudden global cooling, massive floods, extinction of megafauna. This event is called the Younger Dryas. Some scientists believe a comet impact or solar event triggered worldwide destruction. Ancient survivors may have passed this memory forward as myth. Why this knowledge was hidden in stories? Ancient people didn't write science books. They wrote myths, epics, temple carvings. Stories were the safest way to protect dangerous knowledge across thousands of years. The real secret. Ancient history may not be primitive humans slowly becoming smart, but instead, humanity forgetting and relearning knowledge after repeated collapses. Modern civilization might not be the first, just the latest. Final thought. If ancient people were wrong, why did they all tell the same story? And if they were right, what happens when the cycle repeats again?